In this video, you will learn how to solve Google AdSense identity verification failed. First, check the error message. Review the error message you will have received from Google. Google will usually provide a reason why your identification failed, such as unclear documentation or mismatched details. Ensure your ID is clear and legible. Make sure the image of your government issue ID is clear, not blurry, and shows all details properly. Avoid cropping or editing the image. Use high quality scans or photos of the ID. Verify your personal information. Make sure to double check that your name, address and date of birth on your AdSense account all match exactly with the information on your ID. Any small discrepancy can cause verification to fail. Re-upload the correct documents. If the documents were rejected, re-upload it by clicking on the resubmit option. Make sure you select the correct type of ID, such as passport, driver's license or national ID. That requires information is visible. Wait for the review process. After submitting the correct ID, Google will review your information. This can take 1 to 2 business days, depending on the volume of requests. If needed, contact AdSense support. If you've tried everything and the verification is still not working, contact Google AdSense support for assistance. They may provide a more specific detail on why your identity was not verified. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.